Play hard, Mima. Fourth quarter. Get open. Next time, double team him. Next time, get in his face. Take it, Jacob. No defense right now. Let's go. Mima, steal the ball. Steal the ball. Who cares it's with? Steal the ball. Steal the ball. Get down here and come back and steal the ball. Surprise them. Steal the ball. Just take it. Analicia, go up with him. Nice, nice. Up. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Good job, Brains. Good job. Way to go straight up after that. Get open. Get open. Take it in, Jacob. Mima, come back and surprise him and steal the ball. Leave your post and steal the ball. Just come back and take it. Go, go. Help Marcus out. Help Marcus out. There you go. Go after the ball. Go after the ball. They deserve that. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh.